Hello and welcome to Watching Watches. Today we will be looking at a very special item. Unfortunately, I don't know exactly when this Omega pocket watch was made, but it is very special for me because it's actually my grandfather's pocket watch, which he got when he was graduating. And as you can see, this is the second viewer. And up here's where you charge the watch. You can look at the back. And here's the top lid of the watch. And here we have the inside of the watch with all the mechanical stuff. And as you can see up here, right here, we have some rubies. And also you can see the Omega brand naming up at the bottom. And if I charge it now, you can see how it spins. And here it says 17 joules. And Omega here again with Geneve. I really like this watch. I think it's really cool, and we will be posting some pictures of this pocket watch on our Instagram, which I would highly suggest you to check out, which is JSJWatchingwatches. And also make sure to comment, rate and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.